Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem which is 16 to the power 8 times 5 to the power 22. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to simplify this algebraic expression. So student, our algebraic expression is 16 to the power 8 times 5 to the power 22. So student, in this algebraic expression there are two exponential forms present. Our first exponential form is 16 to the power 8 and our second exponential form is 5 to the power 22. So student, now we can write in here 2 to the power 4. So student, 2 to the power 4 is the exponential form of 16. So we can write 2 to the power 4 in the place of 16. Whole to the power, again you have to write 8 in the place of power. Times, again you have to write 5 to the power 22. To simplify the first exponential form in this algebraic expression, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So student, according to this formula we can write from the first exponential form 2 to the power 4 times 8 multiplied by 5 to the power 22. So student, we can write from this algebraic expression 2 to the power 32 multiplied by 5 to the power 22. So student, we can write 2 to the power 22 plus 10 in the place of 2 to the power 32 multiplied by, again you have to write 5 to the power 22. So student, to simplify this exponential form we have to apply the formula a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. So student, according to this formula we can write from this exponential form 2 to the power 22 times 2 to the power 10 times, again you have to write 5 to the power 22. So student, now we can arrange 2 to the power 22 with 5 to the power 22 and we have to write 2 to the power 10. Student, according to this formula we can write from first two exponential form 2 times 5 whole to the power 22 multiplied by 2 to the power 10. Then we can write in here 10 to the power 22 times 2 to the power 10. So student, so now we can write in here 2 to the power 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 22. So student, 2 to the power 10, that is 1024 multiplied by 10 to the power 22. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.